Hi, Ryan Sullivan with SuperCanary. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how you can create a ping test. Make sure that your server is available and ready to take requests. So let's go ahead and create a new test. Hit Create Test. We'll call this TCP Ping Test Demo. And add a step. We'll create a ping. We'll just call this TCP Ping. And for our host, well, we'll hit supercanary.com. And we'll select 443 for our port, which is HTTPS. And ping test should be pretty quick, so we just need like a timeout of 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and create that. As you can see, you have all your test inputs at the top. Ping output, let's go ahead and run step. As you can see, it was successful. Then it ran in about 1 millisecond. That is how you create a ping test. Thank you.